Now let us move to the next category, graph and knowledge graph formats. These formats are used to represent entities, also known as nodes, relationships, also known as edges, and semantic connections in graph databases and knowledge graphs. They enable structured representation of interconnected data and are widely used in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, graph analytics, recommendation systems, knowledge reasoning, and fraud detection. Now let us look at the different formats in this category. First, we have Resource Description Framework, commonly known as RDF. This is a standard data model used to represent information as subject, predicate, object triples in semantic web and knowledge graph systems. Next is Web Ontology Language, commonly known as OWL. This is a semantic web language used to define ontologies, classes, relationships, and rules for knowledge representation. Next, we have Turtle, which stands for Terse RDF Triple Language. This is a compact and human readable syntax used for writing resource description framework triples in semantic web and linked data systems. Next, we have Graph Markup Language, commonly known as GraphML. This is an extensible markup language based format used to store and exchange graph structures, including nodes, edges, and attributes. After that, we have Cypher, which is a query language used to represent and query graph data patterns in graph databases such as Neo4j. Finally, we have JavaScript Object Notation for Linked Data, commonly known as JSON-LD. This is a JavaScript object notation based format used to represent linked data and semantic relationships in web and knowledge graph applications. As you can see, graph and knowledge graph formats are very important for representing complex relationships between data entities. They allow systems to model interconnected data and support advanced applications such as recommendation systems, fraud detection, and knowledge based artificial intelligence systems. Understanding these formats helps data engineers and artificial intelligence practitioners work with graph databases, semantic data, and modern knowledge graph platforms.